Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 5. In today's lesson we're going to start a new unit. We're going to learn about Scratch programming. You guys know about Scratch, we've studied it in the past years, and if you want to follow me, please open the book page number 30. The first thing that we're going to learn is how to download Scratch on your computer. Simply go to any internet browser or internet explorer that you have on your computer. I have Firefox. And then go to scratch.mit.edu and press enter. This will open up the official Scratch web page. You have two options. You can download Scratch from the website. Just simply go to the bottom of the screen, and from the support menu right here you'll get download. Or if you don't want to download Scratch and you want to work online, just simply click on create. I'm gonna go ahead and try to download Scratch. So I'm gonna go to the bottom of the page and click on download. This page will open. Scroll down and you'll find out that they have an option, direct download for Microsoft Windows users. We all use Microsoft Windows, so just simply click on direct download. This message will show up. Click on Save File. If you notice, it has started downloading right here at the top of your internet browser. When the download is over, simply go to Windows Explorer and go to Downloads. This is by default where all of the files that you downloaded from the internet go. And this is your Scratch. This is the file where you actually install Scratch from. So double click on Scratch to install, and then you just have to follow the instructions. When your download is over and your installation is done, you'll find Scratch on your desktop. Just double click on it to open it. And there you go. Now you have Scratch downloaded and installed on your computer. That was easy, right? So what we have right here, this whole box is called the theater. This is where we actually get a preview of how our program works. And over here, this is what we are going to learn now. This is the area where you get to control the sprite. Delete a sprite or choose a new sprite. So let's choose a new sprite. To choose a sprite, simply go to this button, choose a sprite, and then click on this search magnifier thingy right here. It's written choose a sprite. Click. And here you have categories at the top of what type of sprite do you want. But by default it opens on all the sprites that you have. Scroll and choose the sprite that you like. Depends on your program sometimes. For example, this ducky right here, double click on the ducky and it will be embedded into your program. See, I can move it, double click to move it anywhere you want. We already automatically, when we open a new program or when we open Scratch, we will automatically get this Tommy Cat over there. But if you don't like it and you want to change, just simply, you see this bin box or garbage box right here. If you click on it, you will erase the sprite from your program. And there you go. So now we're going to learn about the blocks. Those blocks contain script inside of them. That script or commands Scratch made it easier for us. Instead of writing the commands by typing for long hours, we can just drag the boxes and put them in our working area right here. And this area is actually where you get to create all of your programs. Drag, drop, and if you change your mind or you want to erase one of the commands, just drop them. You also notice that all of the blocks are put into many groups: motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. Now we're going to learn about events. On the book it says, on page number 30 at the bottom of the page, every script begins with an event. An event is the action that makes the script start. Event blocks are brown. So basically, if you want your program to start, you have to add an event at the beginning of your program. Without the event, nothing will happen. Let's click at the groups of events and see what type of blocks do they have. So basically it's saying, if you want your computer or your program to start when the green flag is clicked. If you want your program to start when a certain key, in this example space, pressed. You can change this key to any key you want. When this sprite is clicked, please execute my program, and so on. So basically, when you write a whole big program, you have to top it with, or you have to start with an event so that the user would know when to execute or start the program. Usually, any program in the world, if you want it to start, you have to double click on it, right? But in Scratch, you have different events. So when the green flag is clicked, this is the green flag. You're actually telling the user or the program or the computer, when I click on this green flag, please execute or run my program. So you also have when something happened or when the variable is less than 10, execute my program. When backdrop switches to, execute my program. This is really fun and we're going to use it a lot, not a lot actually, always on our programs in Scratch. Well, this is it for your first lesson. In today we learned how to download Scratch programming from the internet, download from scratch.mit.edu using any Internet Explorer, whether it's Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or any Internet Explorer, how to download and install on your computer. Next we learned what a Scratch sprite is, how to insert or empt a new sprite, and how to delete an old sprite, and what are events. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Till I see you in the next lesson, take good care. Bye.